Hi.
Go.
Hi guys, I got my two Henry hoovers here. One's big and this one is for desk. Then you take his hat off and at the back of it and see here. Sorry guys about that. I'm sick today. 7 years old. You guys remember me? The desk vacuum does have tools. You notice on the desk vacuums before, don't you? So it's just a Henry Hoover vacuum. You could turn on. I'm not gonna turn that one on because it's very loud and I'm sick. It'll give me a headache. This one is not annoying as this one. Today I put it on like this. My dad's radio's over here. He doesn't like vacuums. Okay, let's turn the vacuum on. It's gonna waste out of batteries, I think. It's got hoovering up some dust there. Then we're done. Okay, hold on 1 second. Okay, hold on. So, here's the back of Henry. I got the wine feature. You remember that? The other one was practice. I'm not going to download that to YouTube. The model is, it's a Henry Razor, I think. The model is 2167. It's model 2167. This model. Miss Kane from England. And my cousin. You know, its face and its nose. So, a wire. You can't wrap it up. What? Ah, sorry about that, guys. Whoa! I can't turn this on because my neighbors are sleeping and it's very, very, very loud. I think. And it has these switches and make this doo that noise and make the doo that noise. And I got a handle. Let's take a look in the motor. Use the motor, guys. It says Old Henry. See closer to the motor. It's actually real. back in. So you can take out the motor. Because all the pieces, attachments, go. Sometimes I put them in there. A Henry razor also has a little bit of the it has little line holes. It's my old one. And as you can see, there's a little tiny switch. I think this is the way to turn it on. Here's your. This is actually a real life Henry. There's your my friend is also sick. Once you fix the wheel on Henry, so his name's Luca. He fixed the wheel on Henry. We were putting puppies. He's sick also. His fever's up to 99.1. My fever's up to 99.1. It's up to 100. That's not electrical part, except those are just strings. But James is sometimes a Henry razor. But it's called James razor. With a George is not a razor. A Charles is not a razor. Charles one dry, George one dry. So, my dad's watching a sad movie about getting married. Someone and their naked butt. And also, Dad, you're not supposed to be watching this. That's sad. This is the electric. This is not an electrical. Back cuts. So, you see the noise? Now I'm going to put this back. Take this hose out. It belongs with my Henry pumpkins, because they're for Thanksgiving too.